So this is the fireworks in Portage, Indiana. Evidently they were so great the people are packing up and leaving way early, which tells me they're not that great. Been sitting here watching this, and so far one of the neighbors over here is kicking the city's butt in fireworks. So maybe all these people are going to go park outside of his house. I don't know. I'm going to follow up. Yep, people still leaving. Even more people now still leaving. Hopefully this isn't the grand finale, because that's been pretty weak so far. It's been determined that the only thing keeping us here is our national pride. So, America! Fuck yeah!